this time a different point of view. What else can I do? I said I'm sorry, that I'm oh so sorry. I said I'm sorry, but what for? Maybe if I hurt you, then I hate myself. I don't wanna hate myself, I don't wanna hurt you. Why do you choose your pain if you only knew how much I love you? Yeah, yeah. I won't be your winter, I won't be anyone's excuse to cry. We can be forgiven, I will be here. Picture on a shelf, well, it's been there for a while. Frozen image of ourselves, we were acting like a child, innocent and in trays. A dance that lasted for a while.